Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to factory reset a Motorola device without a password. Start by holding the power button for a few seconds to turn it off. Once the phone goes black, hold the power and volume buttons together at the same time. Use the volume buttons to navigate to recovery mode, then select it with the power button. From there, choose Wipe Data Factory Reset, then confirm with the power button. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm. This will perform the reset without needing a password. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and goodbye.